Alright guys, so here the next way to get stronger is forging. So you can go to forge here, gear, and then forge. Here you will craft different weapons according to your class. Each weapon has a different build. For gunslinger, there's handgun, rifle, gatling gun, and shotgun. Then when you create a weapon, you can choose your skills here, which skill you want to enhance. So you can get level 1 to 3 different effects. So this orange enhance is the highest grade. You can use it. You can get it when you put Godforge Ember when crafting weapons. It's RNG also because uh, even if it fails, if the crafting fails and it's not orange, it will just use this one, but the skills will not appear. So it has to be orange. It's by one. Here. See if you enhance. Tuk, tuk, tuk. Yeah. Still no skill because it became a purple weapon, not orange weapon. So here you can get the skills. Then this is the common forge. Yeah, until you get orange one. See, I got the orange. It got the skill. But still it's random. It's still random skill. Even though you put the one that in your wish list. So every weapon has a different wish list. So you have to just move and then check it here. Peace attack, Desperado. Alright. So you can choose 15 to 40, 24, 25 to 39, 40. Also you can craft armors and accessories also here. Yeah, like this thing. See, it's orange. It's a good one. Agi plus 3, refine plus 5. Yeah, but this one, the 70 is a little bit better than the level 41. And then when you get the skills on your different weapon that you want, you can just transfer here the stats. So for example, I got this mobile guard skills here. I want to change it to this AI advanced drone. I can just simply swap the skills here. If you want concussion, the grenade, this one, advanced AI drone, rapid warback, yeah. It also goes for the accessories. You can also transfer the traits here in the accessory. See, concussion grenade, AI drone. Yep. I think that's it for the forge. This is what's good here in Ragnarok New World. You can get already your weapons by just buying this stone from the shop. It only consumes your normal Eden coins. And you can get it from your dailies, which is Time Corridor, which is free. You just need to do it 2 times a day. Oh, Dragonfly card. It's already the end of CBD. What's the use of this? Oh, critical for the cape. That's good. Yeah. So that's Forge. Okay, guys. let's move to the different ways to get stronger for Ragnarok New World on a different video, which is Refine. Let's go for Refine next time. Okay, bye guys.